How to adjust sensitivity in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. First of all, open the game and go to the main menu. Look for the settings icon usually represented by a gear symbol and tap on it to access the game settings. Next, find the sensitivity option in the settings menu. Here you can choose from 3 levels: high, middle or low. High sensitivity allows faster reactions and quicker turns, which is useful for quick maneuvers and dodging enemy fire. Middle sensitivity provides balanced control for both aiming and movement, making it suitable for most players. Low sensitivity offers smoother and more precise control, which is ideal for accurate aiming and careful flying. Take some time to experiment with these options and find the one that feels most comfortable for your playstyle. It's also a good idea to test your new sensitivity settings in a practice mission. This way, you can see how the changes affect your aim, movement, and shooting while playing. Properly adjusted sensitivity can make a huge difference in dodging enemy fire, hitting targets accurately, and completing missions efficiently. By customizing these settings, you can enjoy a smoother and more effective gaming experience in Gunship Battle Helicopter 3D. Now you know how to adjust sensitivity in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.